and welcome back to my YouTube channel Kudos Grace. So today I am going to make a veggie salad with homemade salad dressing, and that dressing we are going to make out of cashews. Yum! I can't wait to have that salad. So let's make it. I upload many more cooking videos like these, and I uploaded one of my favorite recipes video. You can find the link of that video here, or you can find the link in the description, and that recipe is of dahi bhalla papdi chaat. also liked my salad recipe, then don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, and also try this recipe and do comment me below how is this recipe, and do watch Dahi Bhala Papdi Chaat video, because what's better in this hot summer than a cold tasty dahi chaat. Bye, see you then.